kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. So for today's video, we're going to have unboxing of Mi Smart Band 5. I bought it in Amazon. It is very affordable. It has lots of function. And I bought this because lately I've been experiencing palpitation. So I want to monitor my heart rate. So let's start! So this is the package of Mi Smart Band 5. It has 1.1 colorful screen. It is water resistant up to 50 meters. It has heart rate monitoring and stress monitoring. And it can also record female physiological cycle recording. Ayan. So ito po yung mga compatibility niya. Okay. It is made in China. It has multi-sport modes tracking, magnetic charging, all-day sleep tracking, and 14-day battery life. So let's open. So, ayan. Ito na po yung Mi Smart Band 5. Ayan. Then, here is the instruction on how to use it. Ayan. So, yun yung touch screen, my heart rate sensor, charging port. Ayan. So, ito yung installation procedure, wiring. So, ito yung tamang paglagay sa ating wrist. And, kailangan natin mag-install ng Mi Fit app. So, ito yung QR code niya. Ayan. Okay, then, I think may mga precautions din dito. Saan na ba yun? Ayan. So, when using the band, measure your heart rate. Please keep your wrist still. The Mi Smart Band 5 has a water resistance rating of 5 ATM. It can be worn in the shower, swimming pool, or while swimming near the shore. It cannot be used, however, in sauna or while scuba diving. The function of the touch button and touch screen are not accessible during underwater. When your band comes in contact with water, use a soft cloth to wipe away excess water from its surface before using it. During daily use, avoid wearing the band too tightly and try to keep its contact area dry. Please clean the wristband regularly with water. Please stop using the product immediately and seek medical assistance if the contact area on your skin shows signs of redness or swelling. So, ito yung specifications niya. It has a weight of 11.9 gram. It is made of aluminum alloy. It is compatible with Android and iOS. Ayan. So, ito yung mga battery capacity niya, battery type. Okay. It has Bluetooth as well. Ayan. So, I think that's it. Then, we're going to charge it. So, ito yung USB cable niya. And we're going to charge it first before using. And Ayan. So, galing kasi tinan mo siya. Oh. Ito lang yung port niya. And USB. Then here, we can just, ayan. It's true magnet. At diba? So, we're going to charge it. And so we're charging it now. And we're just gonna wait for about 2 hours para magamit natin siya. Ito po yung ating Mi Band. Okay, so ito po yung itsura niya. Ayan. So it's 2:31 and we can monitor the heart rate, the steps. Yeah. Measure the heart rate. Yan, 72. There's alarm, camera, music. Stopwatch, timer, silent. We can choose which band display we want. Ayan, may mga choices. So now we've paired our Mi Band with the Mi Fit application. And see, you can regularly monitor your pulse rate here, the stress levels, the cycles, your sleeping time. Okay, then aside from that, there's a GPS also wherein you can monitor how many kilometers you've walked. Okay, then ito yung Mi Smart Band 5 natin. So, may mga dito, different kinds of screens. Ayan, so it's for free. You can download it in the internet, in the app. Then, kapag may incoming call, malalaman din po through your band. Then, there are some event reminders, alarm. Ayan, so basically, madaming pwedeng gawin dito through the Mi Smart Fit application. So, kailangan nyo lang na i-pair yung dalawa. So, you're gonna pair your Mi Band, Mi Smart Band 5 with your Android mobile. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!